Welcome. If you want to change the chat export path on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily choose where your exported chats are saved. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find the group or chat you want to export. Click on the chat to open it, then click on the group or contact name at the top of the window. This will bring up the contact info page, where you'll see more details and options for that chat. In the contact info window, look for the three dots icon, usually in the upper right corner. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Export Chat History. This will open the export settings window. Now, you'll see several options for what you want to include in your export. You can choose to export messages, photos, videos, voice messages, files, and more. Check the boxes for the types of data you want to save. You can also set limits for file sizes or select a specific time range if you only want to export part of your chat history. Here's the important part: changing the export path. In the Export Settings window, look for the Path section. By default, Telegram suggests a folder, but you can change this to any location you prefer. Click on the path and a File Chooser window will appear. Navigate to the folder where you want your exported chat to be saved. Then click Select or OK to confirm your choice. Once you've set your desired options and chosen the right path, click the Export button. Telegram will start exporting your chat history and save it to the folder you selected. Depending on the size of your chat, this might take a few moments. That's it. You've now successfully changed the export path for your Telegram chat on PC. Your exported chat will be saved exactly where you want it, ready for backup, sharing, or record keeping. Thanks for watching and enjoy organizing your Telegram data your way.